Okay, welcome back to SP Gubbi online classes, Sangam tutorials. So this is session 8 on arithmetic progressions. So we were solving problems on the term of an AP. So starting from the definition of AP, we have come until problems on nth term of an AP. So here we are going across some 2 marks questions, 1 mark questions we have covered on conceptual learning. So now we are going with the 2 mark questions, very important. Every problem has a theoretical background behind it. So unless you understand the theory, you cannot solve problems that may lead to errors. So please listen to the theoretical background very carefully, practice problems, get a grip on arithmetic progressions. So in today's class, we will be going with purely 2 mark questions which are very important. I hope you will enjoy all the problems in this session. So on the board, we are having 2 problems. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, is 78? So here, this is an AP and this AP has 78 somewhere as a term. We don't know which term it is. Somewhere in that AP, after the 4th term, somewhere 78 comes. So we have to find out which term is 78. In the sense, we have to find out whether it is the 15th term or whether it is the 12th term or it is the 20th term, something like that. We have to find out the term value of 78. So in this type of problems, if a term is asked, which term of the AP, they are given the AP, they have asked you which term is 78. So, the term what they are going to give you to find out its term value, you have to consider that term as the nth term of that AP. This is the theoretical background. He has asked you in this problem, he has asked you which term is 78 in the given AP. So, therefore, we have to consider that 78 is the last term of the AP. So this is the theory behind the problem. So now let us go with this. Write on the first term, A is equal to 3. By inspection we are going to get this. Find out D, usual method. Go with A2 minus A1. Don't be restricted to this, as I told you in the previous classes. D can be taken by A4 minus A3 also, A3 minus A2 also. So usually we take A2 minus A1. So D is equal to A2 is 8 minus A1 is 3. So D is equal to, it comes to 5. So D is positive. So now, which term is 78 is asking you. So therefore consider 78 as itself is the last term of that AP. So therefore 78 becomes the nth term of the AP. So you have to find out the value of n. So in the sense, n indicates the number of terms in the AP and also it indicates the term value of 78. So nothing but we are finding n is nothing but we are finding out how many terms are there in the AP or which term is 78. So both are one and the same. So let us write on the formula. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So an is value is 78. Substitute 78 here. A is 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is 5. So 78 is equal to 3 plus 5 into n is 5n. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So 78 is equal to 3 minus 5. Simplify the constants. So it becomes 5n minus 2. So transpose the constant minus 2 to the LHS. So that becomes 78 plus 2 is equal to 5n. 78 plus 2 is 80. 80 is equal to 5n. So n is equal to 80 by 5. So it comes 5 ones are 5, 3 is remaining, 5 6 are 30. So n is equal to 16. So what is the conclusion? So in this AP, how many terms are there? In this AP there are 16 terms. So in this AP, its term is 78. So 78 is the 16th term of the AP. So you have to write the conclusion. So therefore 78 is 16th term of given AP. So similarly, we are having another problem based on the same concept. So which term of the AP 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 6 comma dot 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 is minus 106. So here at the beginning you can see that the terms are positive. Now the terms are getting negative signs. This indicates that D will be negative. So he is asking you which term is minus 106. So therefore we have to consider that minus 106 itself is the last term of the AP. So we can write out the data here. So A is equal to 4, D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to A2 stands for minus 1, this minus sign, A1 is 4. So D is equal to minus 1 minus 4, D is equal to minus 5. So D value is negative. So then, so you have to consider this minus 106 as the last term, that's the nth term. So AN is equal to minus 106. We have to find out the value of N. I hope we can do this by applying the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute the values, simplify the things, go with the solution and write the conclusion. So don't forget to write the conclusion, because we will be convincing the evaluator that this is the particular term of the AP. So don't forget to write the conclusion. Okay. So next we will go with the same similar type of problem. So a little bit data will be changed. Find the number of terms of the AP. Number of terms of the AP is nothing but we have to find out the value of N. So here in AP is given 7 comma 13 comma 19 dot 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 205 is given. So usually many students during evaluation have seen sir 1 2 3 4, there are 4 terms in this AP. That's a very silly answer. But here you have to understand the theory. 7 comma 13 comma 19 comma, this gap indicates that there are still many number of terms in between 19 and 205. But 205 is the last term. So according to the question, find the number of terms of the AP indicates that between 7 and 205, including 7 and 205. Between this, how many terms are there in this AP? So answer will be 100% positive number, because it is always a natural number. That's one of the cross-checking method. So it means including 7 and 205 in this AP, we have to find out how many terms are there. So in the sense, you have to find out the value of N, and the value of N what we will be getting at the end of the problem should be positive, because N is always a natural number. Let us go to the method of solving this. A is equal to 7 first term, D is equal to A2 minus A1, D is equal to A2 is 13 minus A1 is 7, so D is equal to, it comes to 6. So nth term, so 205 is the last term of the AP, therefore take it as the nth term. So A is equal to 205, you have to find out the value of N. So N is equal to how much? You have to find out the number of terms. So An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Nth term is 205 is equal to A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D is 6. So 205 is equal to 7 plus, multiply this binomial by 6. 6 into N is 6N. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. So 205 is equal to, simplify the constants, 7 minus 6 is 1 plus 6N. Transpose this plus 1 to the LHS, it becomes 205 minus 1 is equal to 6N. So 205 minus 1 is 204 is equal to 6N. N is equal to 204 by 6. So you can go with this. 6 ones are, you can go. 6 threes are 18. 2 is remaining. 6 fours are 24. So N is equal to in this AP 205 is the 34th term, as well as in this AP there are 34 terms. Both the answers are right. So therefore, according to the question, there are 34 terms in the AP or given AP. So this is how you have to conclude 2 marks question. Right. So similar type of problem is here. Let us also go with this. I will give you the same clarity in this. So question carries find the number of terms of the AP. AP is given. This is the first term, second term, third term. Second term is in mixed fraction. You have to convert that into an improper fraction. Then proceed. So minus 47 is the last term here. So as the terms are going towards the last term, they are becoming negative. Maybe we will get the common difference as a negative. Let's see. So A is equal to 18, D is equal to, it becomes A2 minus A1. So D is equal to A2 is 15 1 by 2. 2 15s are 30, 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2 minus A1 is 18. So D is equal to by 18 we have 1 in the denominator. LCM for 2 and 1 is 2. 31 by 2 into 2 is 31 minus 18 by 1 into 2 is 36. So D is equal to 31 minus 36, that becomes minus 5 by 2. So the value of D is minus 5 by 2. So next data, consider this as the nth term. So A is equal to minus 47, that convert the value of n. So we will go with the formula. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term is minus 47, substitute that. A is 18 plus n, we have to find out, minus 1 into D is minus 5 by 2. Please keep it inside brackets. Next, minus 47 is equal to 18. Okay, plus n into minus 5 by 2 is minus 5n by 2. Again, minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is plus 5 by 2. In the sense, you have to multiply this binomial by minus 5 by 2. So by 18 we have 1 as the denominator. So minus 47 is equal to 1, 2 and 2. Let's take the LCM. LCM is 2. 18 by 1 into 2 is 36. Minus 5n by 2 into 2 is minus 5n. Plus 5 by 2 into 2 is plus 5. I hope you are following this. So minus 47 is equal to, simplify the constants, 36 plus 5. It becomes 41 minus 5n by 2. So below minus 47 we have 1 as the 1 in the denominator. So when two fractions are separated by equal signs, you can go with cross multiplication. So please go with cross multiplication. 41 minus 5n into 1 is 41 minus 5n is equal to minus 47 into 2. So 41 minus 5n is equal to 2 7s are 14, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, that is minus 94. So again, minus 5n is equal to minus 94 plus 41 when transposed to RHS is going to become minus 41. So minus 5n is equal to minus 94 minus 41, that comes to 5 and 13. So minus 135. So you can cancel both the negative sign on both sides as they are single terms. If two single terms are carrying negative sign in front of them and they are separated by equal sign, you can cancel the signs. Minus minus cancels. So n is equal to 135 by 5. So n is equal to 5 1s are 5 2s are, you can get 10, 3 remains, and 5 7s are 35. So n is equal to 27. So from this problem we have got n is equal to 27 as the answer. So in this AP there are 27 terms, and along with that the other statement is minus 47 is the 27th term of this AP. This is the conclusion. So you have to write the conclusion. So there are 27 terms in the AP. So this is a 2-mark question. You have to be very careful at these points when multiplying this, when taking the LCM, and then while taking cross multiplications, while dividing and coming to the answer. So you have to be aware that n is always positive. If you get a negative value in the place of n, so it's understood that somewhere you have done a mistake. We'll go with the next problem. Very simple. Based on the theoretical background of the two problems what we did, this problem is in front of us. Check whether this indicates that we are not certain. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, or not. So we are not sure. We have to check. So if it comes out in the minus 150 comes out to be a term of the AP, we write it yes, it is the term of the AP. If it is not, conclusion is no, it is not the term of the AP. So now the question arises, how to decide whether minus 150 is a term of the AP or not? See, it's a very simple logic. If minus 150 is, let us consider that minus 150 is a term of the AP, then it will be some 20th term or 30th term or 60th term or 25th term, something like that. But it can never be 25.3 term or 25 by 6th term or 13.3 term or 15.8 term, something like that. It cannot be like that. The number of the term of an AP is always an integer, that is, it's an whole number. So let us do one thing. We will consider this minus 150 as the nth term of this AP. We will find out the value of n. So if n appears to be an integer or a whole number or a natural number, then minus 150 is a term of the AP. If we get the n value as a decimal number or which is not an integer, then we say that minus 150 is not a term of this AP. That is a very simple conclusion. Okay. Let us write on the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, is an AP here. Let us write down the data. A is equal to 11, B is equal to A2 minus A1, B is equal to 8 minus 11. So D is equal to 8 minus 11 is minus 3. So D is equal to minus 3. So which term is asked to find out whether it is a term or not? It is minus 150. Consider this minus 150 as the nth term of the AP. So A is equal to minus 150. So n is equal to how much? So the value of n decides whether this term is one of the part of the AP or not. So apply the formula. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term is minus 150 is equal to A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3. So minus 150 is equal to 11 plus plus n into minus 3 is minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. So minus 150 is equal to 11 plus 3. Simplify the constants, that is 14 minus 3n. So transpose this 14 towards the LHS, it becomes minus 150 minus 14 is equal to minus 3n. So minus 150 minus 14 is minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. So minus and minus cancels. So we are left out with 3n is equal to 164. n is equal to 164 by 3. So 3 is an odd number and 164 is an even number. So 164 is not divisible by 3. So if at all if you divide 164 by 3, you are going to get a decimal number. So approximately n is equal to 164 by 3 indicates that n is not a natural number. So it's not an integer. So therefore 164 by 3, as it indicates a decimal number, minus 150 is a term in between two terms of the table. So it's not a particular term, it is in between two terms of an AP. So therefore minus 150, let us conclude like this: since n is not an integer, since n is not an integer or a natural number, therefore minus 150 is not a term of given AP. So similarly, I am having another problem here. Test whether, check whether or test whether both one and the same. Test whether 36 is a term of the AP. 4, 8, 12, 16. Solve this problem as a homework in the same similar method. So look at the value of n. If n is a natural number or an integer, then it is a term of the AP. If n is not an integer, that is not a natural number, then the given term is not a term of the AP. Okay. So now we'll go with a problem which is based on the theoretical background and what we have learned until now. So it's a challenging problem for you. So it will be for 3 marks in your examination. I hope you will enjoy this. Listen to me very carefully. Look at the steps we follow. The problem goes like this: 4th and 8th terms of an AP are in the ratio 1:2. So imagine an AP. There is some AP. There is the 4th term and 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th term. 4th term he has taken down. He has taken down the 8th term. So in between the 4th term and 8th term, he has brought them to the simplest form. He has brought them to the simplest form. For example, 4th term is 8 and 8th term is 16 or maybe 16. Okay, 8 ones are 8 twos are. He has brought it to the simplest form. So that ratio comes to 1:8, something like that. So some AP is there. In that AP, he has taken the 4th term, he has taken the 8th term, he has placed it one below the other or one beside the other. He has taken the HCF of both the terms, he has cancelled both the terms, he has come to the ratio 1:2. So that means 4th and 8th terms of an AP are in the ratio 1:2 means the 8th term is twice the 4th term. In the sense, the 8th term is double the 4th term. So the ratio indicates that. And 10th term of the same AP is 30. And the 10th term is 30 of the same AP. So conclusion is this: imagine an AP. 4th term is there, 8th term is there. He has taken both the terms. He has brought them to the simplest form by cancelling it. Ratio is 1:2. In the sense, the 8th term is 2 times the 4th term, and in the same AP when you go forwards you get the 10th term, and the value of the 10th term is he has given as 30. So using this data, find the common difference of the AP, find the first term of the AP, and then find out the AP itself. Write the AP itself. Okay. So 4th and 8th terms of an AP are in the ratio 1:2. So this can be written as A4 is to A8 is 1:2. The ratio between 4th and 8th terms is 1:2. So this ratio can be written as A4 by A8 is equal to 1/2. So now define A4 and define A8 on the theoretical background what you have learned. So A4 can be defined as A plus 3D by A8 can be written as A plus 70 is equal to 1 by 2. So there are two fractions, two rational numbers which are separated by equal sign. So at this moment, what is the step forward is you have to go for cross multiplication. So go with the bigger one, A plus 3D into 2. It becomes A 2 into A plus 3D is equal to 1 into A plus 70 is A plus 70. 2 into A is 2A plus 2 into 3D is 60 is equal to A plus 70. So now transpose both these terms to the LHS, making RHS as 0. So 2A plus A as it gets transposed it becomes minus A. Write down this plus 60. Transpose plus 70 to the LHS it becomes minus 70. So no terms are left in the RHS, therefore write it equal to 0. So 2A minus A like terms, 2A minus A is A, 60 minus 70 is minus D is equal to 0. So at last A is equal to D. So this is the conclusion we have got. This is A is equal to D. In the sense, in this A, the value of A is equal to the value of D. So if once you get the value of A or D, both are same. So nothing but you have got both the values of A and D. Is understood. So now take the 10th term. So that can be written as A10 is equal to 30. So define A10. So A10 can be defined as A plus 9D is equal to 30. A plus 9 D as it is equal to A. Instead of D you can write again A, or instead of A you can write D. So whatever you do, you can, it's right. So A is equal to 30. So 1A plus 10A, 9A is 10A is equal to 30. So A is equal to 30.10. Then 1s are 10, 3s are, so A is equal to 3. So we have got the value of A. So since A is equal to D, therefore the value of D is also equal to 3. So now we have found out the common difference and we have found out the first term. The remaining thing is we have to write the AP. So at this point, we have to use the general form of the AP what we have learned in the previous class. So required AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma Just three terms are enough to define an AP. What I have told you earlier. So A is 3 comma A is again 3 plus D is 3 comma A is 3 plus 2 into D is 3 So 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 is 9 So this is the required AP. So this is the problem which comes for 3 marks. It's a very important one. Okay, we go to the next problem in the exercise. It's a very important one. Find 31st term of an AP. So you have to find out the 31st term of some AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So you have to look here. 11th term is given and 16th term is given. They are given two different terms of the AP, and he is asking you to find the 31st term. So earlier in the previous problems, yesterday's session 7, we had derived a formula on this. D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. So using that formula, I hope you can do this very easily. So this is the 11th term is 38, 16th term is 73. In the sense, in that AP, two different terms are given, and he is asking you to find the 31st term. So in order to find out the 31st term, you should be knowing the value of A and D. So by using the formula what we have derived, we will first find out the value of D. Substitute that value of D in any one of the given terms, we will get A. So using that A and D, we will go reach the 31st term. Okay, so let us write the data. 11th term, that is A11 is equal to 38. 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So A16 is equal to 73. So which is the bigger term, which is the smaller term? So here A16 is the bigger term and A11 is the smaller term. So which term you have to consider as AP? So let AP is equal to A16 is equal to 73, AQ is equal to A11 is equal to 38. So you know the formula, AD is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q. So D is equal to AP is entirely 73 minus AQ is entirely 38 by P minus Q. P stands for 16 minus and Q stands for 11. So D is equal to 73 minus 38 comes for 35 by 16 minus 11 is 5, 5 ones are 5 sevens are, D is equal to 7. The value of D is 7. So now we have got the common difference. So in order to find out the 31st term, we need the first term also. So substitute the value of the common difference, that is D, in any one of the known terms of that AP. So known terms of the AP, you can take 11th term. So to find A, take the 11th term. So A11 is equal to 38. So A11 can be defined as A plus 10D is equal to 38. So A plus 10 into D value is 7. Already we have it, is equal to 38. So A plus 10 sevens are 70 is equal to 38. So A is equal to 38 minus 70. So we get A is equal to minus 32. A is equal to minus 32. Value of A is minus 32. So we have D value, we have A value. You can just find out the required term, that is 31st term. So to find A31. So A31 can be defined as A plus 30B according to the theory of arithmetic progressions. So A31 is equal to A value is minus 32. We substitute that plus 30 into D value is 7. So A31 is equal to minus 32 plus 37 is 210. So A31 is equal to 210 minus 32 is 178. So A31 is 178. So this problem will be for 2 marks. I hope you understood this. So if you have any doubts, you can just clarify me through WhatsApp. Right? Please see that you subscribe the channel and get the notifications of the videos online. So you have to first find out D, then you have to find out A, then you have to reach the given term. Okay, so now we are in front of us, we are having a problem which needs where we think and write the data. So it's a little bit tricky problem. You have to read the question very carefully. Right. An AP consists of 50 terms. So imagine an AP with 50 terms. So n is equal to 50. From that statement we can write the data as n is equal to 50. 50 terms are there. Okay. Of which third term is 12. So in that AP, starting from first term to 50 terms, third term is 12. First, second, third. Third term is 12. So that can be written as A3 is equal to 12. And last term is 106. See, this is the trick here. How many terms are there in the AP? In the entire AP there are 50 terms and last term is the 50th term. Last term is 50th term. And he has told you here, the last term is 106. The value of the 50th term is 106. So therefore we can write A50 is equal to 106. Find the 29th term. So in the same AP, in between somewhere you get the 29th term, you have to find that 29th term. So in the sense, A29 is equal to how much? So once again, then AP consists of 50 terms, therefore n is equal to 50, of which third term is 12. So therefore A3 is 12 and last term is 106. So this statement is very important. So in that AP we have 50 terms and he says that last term is 106. So therefore 50th term is itself is 106. So I have written here, find the 29th term. Sort of in an AP, in order to find out any term, we need the value of first term and common difference. So here two different terms are there with us. So using the formula D is equal to AP minus AQ by P minus Q, we will find out the value of D. So we will take the value of D and substitute that in any one of the terms so that we can get the value of A. So using the value of A and D, we will reach the 29th term. So this is the background. So first, let us apply the formula. So AP is equal to bigger term is this, A50 is equal to 106, AQ is equal to A3 is equal to 12. So formula is D is equal to AP minus EQ by P minus Q. So D is equal to entire AP is 106 minus entire AQ is 12 by P minus Q, that is 50 minus Q. Q value is 3. So D is equal to 106 minus 12 is 94 by 50 minus 3 is 47. So 47 ones are 47, twos are it goes. So D is equal to 2. The value of D is 2. So we have got the value of D. So we will substitute the value of D in any one of these two terms. Take whichever is easier. A3 is 12, that is easy. So to find A, so take one of the term. So A3 is equal to 12. Define the term A3. So A3 can be defined as A plus 2B is equal to 12. A value is unknown. 2 into D value is 2 plus, okay, is equal to 12. So A plus 2 is 4. 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. The value of first term is 8. So you have the D value, you have A value, you can easily reach A29. So A29 can be written as A plus 28D. So A29 is A, value is 8 plus 28 into D value is 2. So A29 is equal to 8 plus 28 into 2 is 1656. Okay. So A29 is equal to 56 plus 8, that comes to 54. Sorry, 64. So value of the 29th term is 64. So by this we will conclude. I hope in today's problems you enjoyed each and every problem. You have learned the theory, practice problems well. So without practicing you will never get the good grip on the problems. You will not be able to recall when it is required. So therefore practice well, understand the theory behind it, write down the notes what I am sending you through the WhatsApp. Subscribe the channel, inform your friends also to view the videos. It is totally free to air. So I would like to conclude this video. Stay at home, be safe, practice problems. Thank you once again. Thank you one and all.